Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about this uh, identity resolution in the data cloud, Salesforce data cloud. So basically, what is identity resolution uh, in Salesforce data cloud? So identity, as you can see, the identity that is identifying that identity of a person, identity of a like anything. Okay, that means something that is identity for that. Okay, that means like let's suppose we have a person with different name, like I can say Himanshu Yadav, Himanshu Sharma, Himanshu Pathak, Himanshu Biskarma, Himanshu Saini. We have different name with different surname. Okay, but there should be some unique we can say identity that can identify, okay, this person is the same, either he is from US, either he is from UK, either he is from India, either he is from any place, but there should be something that is identify that, okay, this is the same person. Okay, let's suppose in India we have Aadhaar card. So if we have same person with the same name, like I have, we have like Himanshu Yadav, like 100 Himanshu Yadav in this India, but everyone will be having different Aadhaar card number. That means that person is getting identified by the Aadhaar card number, even then they have same what to call the same name. Okay, the similar way, in the sales cloud we have different sources, like we can say, let there is a person who is registering himself in the Amazon with Himanshu Sharma, but have email as a, like we can say, xyz@gmail.com. Let the same person registering with Himanshu Biskarma a Flipkart. Okay, but still he is using the same email ID. Let's suppose same person is log into the we can say Zomato, okay, with Himanshu signing, but email ID is same. So we can see here, like the same person is registering himself with a different name, but he is using the same email ID. That means we can identify that person with the email ID, is that this is the same person. Okay, whatever the name, but because the he is using the same email ID, so that means this person is the same. Sometime people will use same mobile number, they will use different email IDs. By that way we can identify this same person. So there is different ways that we can identify, like, does it is the same person or different person. So in the Salesforce data cloud, because we have ingested the data from different sources, so we have to find a person. Let's suppose I am the person who interested to buy a AC, okay, or we can say buy a fridge, buy a refrigerator, whatever. But for buying the refrigerator I have been visited 10 different websites. That means I have been registered in 10 different websites. I went to the stores, I have been given my mobile number, I have given an email ID, so I am interested in that. Okay, so like means I am the person who is trying to buy a washing machine or refrigerator with different name but same mobile number, same phone number. That means I am existing the with the same person in different sources. So when these data are ingested, we can say imported in the Salesforce data cloud, then I will be same person but with different name. So there is a reason to find out the same person. We have identity resolution, we can say here. So here we can click on this new here. Okay, so once you click on the new, it will ask you, are you able to create a new rule? Yet I want to create a new rule set here. I can click on name. Okay, and let me give I'm giving here the data space, because we have, I'm using the trial log, so I have only one data space here. We can use here DMO, like I have been uploaded data from the service cloud here. So we have like individual account and lead, so this is that I am able to see only this record. I can select here individual. Okay, in the individual rule set ID we can give anything here. Let I'm giving 1 2 4. Okay, this is we can give anything. Now next here. Okay, so we can see here, you can give the rule set name, find identify identity. You can say, let's say rule set name, rule name, okay, or rule person. We can give person. Okay, you can give any description here if you want. Else we can leave it blank here. Okay, so here we have like data model object. We have unified individual 1 to 4 unified, like saying like whatever data model we have. Okay, like we have individual contact point address, individual point, like we have given all these link individual. Okay, so we can click here, save this one. Once you save this record, okay, it's saving. Let it allow to save. Now this rule got saved. Now we can see here. Okay, this is the identification rule person. We have to click on the configure here. So here we can select the field. We can do anything. Okay, let me select here next. Nothing we have to do here. We have to real match criteria or add your match rule. Okay, or we let's go click on the configure here. Okay, so let's suppose I'm going to configure fuzzy name here. We have like fuzzy name and revised email. Fuzzy name means like it means similar only, like not exact, but it will be similar, like Himanshu sometime SHU, sometime SU, sometime HEMAN. So fuzzy name, it is not like same name. Okay, we click next here. Okay, so here we got on the individual of the first name, fuzzy medium precision. Okay, so this name from where we want to fuzzy medium means it is not similar, like something like the some spelling will be here and there, but Himanshu, it seems like Himanshu, but the spelling will be something here and there. Okay, so we can configure here. So here if you want to select which, because I have a very limited object here, so I can click select here, like from where you want to find this first name. Okay, because I don't have much more object for now, I'm just giving as a point address here. Okay, I can select the field here. So if you have different object, we'll be finding all the object here. Okay, so like this individual we have, we can say some other custom object, we can say from there we can match that. Okay, this like suppose I have been we can say employee table we have, so from the employee table we can give here, select the name, we can select here. Okay, but I don't have that custom object here. Oh, because we have very limited object, I am just giving the let's say I'm giving as a contact point address. I'm just giving as example, I'm giving country. Okay, the country will be same like this one, but it will never match because I know, because this is the country, this is the name, but it's never match, I know that. But even though for the testing purpose, we can go back here. Again we have to do for the last name as well. So it's make exact, that means it should be Yadav. Okay, it should be similar only, there is no fuzzy. I can select a fuzzy here. Okay, it's not selecting the fuzzy, it's saying the last name should be same only. Okay, I can give here. We can again select the object here, because we don't have any object. I'm just giving anything here. I am just giving here anything if I can get. That is the text here. Let me see. It will never match, but yeah, that's fine. Okay, we can give match on blank or case sensitive. I can this give this one as well, and then one more we have here, contact point. We have to configure this one. Okay, like we can see here, exact we have. Okay, let me bring it down if I am able to. Okay, we have only two, but let me, it's not coming. Okay, and here we can see, I can show exact, low precision, medium precision, high precision. Okay, all these are like what up to what match you want. That's what it's saying. Low means it is very fuzzy, like HU, MENSHU, something like that. Medium is like less than the low precision, like some characters would be same. High means okay, it is very high, the only few characters would be different. Adject means the same name. Okay, like that. So here let me configure this. Okay, let me select here, because we don't have anything here, but still let me click here. Okay, let me click here. I am just clicking, so I can select city here. Okay, let me go back here. Now everything got configured here, so it will see all this whatever we have been given. So it will see we can select different data spaces. We can select different object, we can select, and we can ask to find the same person in this table. Okay, so we can apply here next, and then we can save it. Okay, it got saved now. Okay, So here we can say it is publishing still, request set is publishing now, rule set as 1 to 4, it is on the data model individual. Okay, so I'm just trying to find a person, it will never, but we can say it is scheduled. Okay, in progress now, we can see here it is trying to run the job. Okay, so we can see here processing history, if it is run we can get the record here, but nothing is still in progress. It's detail, nothing is there, it is still progress, like the name, rule name, data space, and what is the status here, it's still it is running. Okay, so we can directly run the rule set from here. So here we don't have any record because it is still processing. Okay, so once it will be processed we'll be able to see the record here, because we have been given very wrong condition to find this name. So it will find all the name as a unified name, because all will be having different name, it will never match with the country or city, correct? So it will give all the record name, that means it will be unique. Let me run this one manually. Okay, let me running this one. Okay, we can't start job because already running. Okay, it is in running. Okay, so we will wait for some time till it is running. We can see here it got succeeded now, and we got total run rate, it's got run on this date, we got total 42 record, total are unique only because it will never match, because we have given wrong condition for that. So because I don't have this what is called all other object that I can match, so we can got here total 42 record as a unified profile. That means all the record whatever is there in my database, or we can say in my salesforce, all are unified, that all are unique. So in this way we can identify a person or two person, like who are the same person in these different data sources. This is how the identity resolution will work. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please feel free to make a comment. I will I will be happy to give answers in the comment. Thank you for watching.